I guess when you're looking at it from a very human point of view, it's really hard to understand the value in this. What do you say to anyone who's thinking and feeling that way?
No, I think it's a reasonable conversation.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes we have to be super aroused. And sometimes we really have to pay attention. And sometimes there are threats and dangers where that primitive nervous system actually works in our favor. And that's the emergency system. But you got to also realize that you only have a certain amount of energy. And if you're living in emergency mode for an extended period of time, there's no energy for growth and repair. There's no energy for long-term building projects. And so when it's needed and you have to outrun the predator, you go.
Yeah.
You don't sit and try to make friends with the predator. We're not that good. You run, right?
Yeah.
The problem is if you keep that alarm system switched on all the time, it gets very addictive.